How to install AGT voting app or America's Got Talent. So here is the official America's Got Talent on NBC app. You can just download it. Make sure it's from NBC Universal Developer. And then you can just open it up, and then during the show, you will just be able, you can allow notifications here just to be sure, and then you will see the vote is open, and then you can just vote and proceed with it. All right. So probably only need to be located in US, and then that's basically the idea. Then you can also see some nice analytics. You can see buzzer sounds and get all of this, just more interactive experience with America's Got Talent show if you like the show. Just go to this app, and here you can just open up the vote.